everyone, myself Jahnavi. Today I'm here to discuss about some basic concepts of a JavaScript like objects, functions, differences between where, let, const and JavaScript modules. First of all, I'm going to discuss about objects. The objects in JavaScript are a collection of key value pairs where keys are strings and values can be any data type. Objects are used to model real world entities. In objects, we have object declaration, accessing, and manipulating. Now, from this code, we get the output as hello, my name is John by giving this to the name. Now, in this, we also have nested objects. In nested objects, I have taken name, location, city, country, and I have given some names to it, and I have passed company, location, city with a dot parameter in the console.log. From that, I have ta- given the output as new. And from manipulating objects, I have taken CEO name and delete company of the location. I have passed some arguments like alias, mega, tech, crop, and I have here add, modify, delete. In this manipulating objects, we can easily add, modify, and delete the properties. And the next topic is functions. Function is nothing but are reusable blocks of code that can be called to perform tasks. They help in organizing the code in function. We have function declaration, function expression, and arrow functions. In Now we can see the function declaration. In function declaration, I have taken a two parameters a and b, and I have performed an addition operation, and I have passed two and three numbers to the parameters. So I get the output as 5. The function expression is also similar to the function declaration, but here I have taken multiplication operation of the two parameters a and b. I get the output as 6. And arrow functions is also similar to the function declaration, but it has a little bit change by is nothing but by giving a arrow symbol to the parameters. So here I have taken the arrow symbol to those parameters a and b. I have given the operation as a subtraction, so I get the output as 3 by giving by passing the 5 and 2 to those parameters. And this function, in functions, we have this keyword. This keyword refers to the object that calls the function. Now, from the code, we will get the output as odd is starting because I have called here brand with this keyword. So, this keyword will refer the object, it calls the functions. And now we can discuss about the where, let, and const concepts. Where is nothing but variables are declared with where functions scoped and can be redeclared or updated is nothing but where. Here I have taken function let test, and if true, then y equal to 20, and in that I have written y, so the output is 20. Here console.log y I have given in comments, so it is error because y is not defined outside the block. Here we are not defined y in the outside the block, so we may get the error. And the const is nothing but the variables are block scoped and cannot be reassigned. By seeing this code, I have taken z parameter and I have passed a value of 30 to it. In another line, I have taken z is equals to 40 because it is outside the code. It may get the error as assignment to the constant variable, but I have taken the z parameter in the console.log, then the output will be 30 because it takes from the above. And next, let are block scoped and cannot be redeclared. Here I have taken if true y equal to 20 console.log. Here it y is not declared, that's why it may get the error as y is not defined outside the block. And the last concept is nothing but the Java modules. In Java modules, we have import and export. Java modules are a way to split code into reusable pieces in modern JavaScript ES6. You can use import and export to use the modules. So from this code in I have taken in math.js. Here I am exporting one default function by taking the parameters as a comma b, and I have performed here division operation. And now importing from that math.js, I have passed 6 comma 2 6 comma 2 values to those parameters by giving the divide operation. So we get the output as 3. From this explanation, we can easily understand the key concepts of a JavaScript. Thank you.